We are continuing our third question, fifth one. What is there given here is a equal to 2 and d is equals to 8 and sum of n terms 90. Now we have to find what is the nth term and what is nth term and how many number of terms are there, n terms. So let's go into write what they are given here. The first term a is equals to 2 and what is the common difference 8 and Sn will be equal to 90. So what is Sn formula? That is sum of n terms n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. Let's going to substitute all the values and let's going to find it what is the n. So number of terms. So Sn will be equal to 90. Then n by 2 into 2a is equals to 2 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 8. So n by 2, 90 keep as it is. 2 2s are 4 plus n minus 8 n minus 8. So n by 2, 4. So here 8n minus 4. Why? Because 4 minus 8 will become that is a value. So 90. So 2, let's going to shift to the left side, that is n 8n minus 4 into n. So 180 we will get it here. So 180, let's take 8n square minus 4n. 8n square minus 4n. So this is the value. Let's going to shift this to the, so 8n square minus 4n minus 180 will be equal to 0. So this is the value. You can take common of 4 here. So 4 you can take common. So let's take 4 as a common. 2n square, 4 2s are 8, 2n square minus n minus 4 4s are 16. Then 4 4s are 16. 2 will be there, 4 5s are 20. So minus 45. So 2n square minus n minus 45 will be equal to 0 by 4, that is 0. So if you factorize, so what is the factorization term? So 2n square minus n minus 45 will be equal to 0. So this is the value. Let's continue this one. So 2n square minus n, so minus n minus 45, so minus 45 will be equal to 0. Now what we can take it here is, we can take, so what we can write it here. So 2n square, let's going to write 2 common n square minus n by 2. So if it is a divide with 2, then multiply, we will get the minus n. So 45 by 2, we will get it as 0. So n square n by 2 minus 45 by 2. So this is the 0 by 2, that is 0. So why we are taking here single n square? It's somewhat difficulty to calculate if you take 2n square. So you can go with the two methods. I'll explain. So first method is this one. So 2n square. So n by 2, right? N by 2 we should get. So how we will get n by 2? With the 45 by 2, you should get the answer. So we can take 10 minus 9. So 10 into 9 will be 90 by 2. We will get it as 45. So minus 10 n by 2 plus 9n by 2. So minus n by 2 we will get. 10 minus 9 will be, 10 minus 9 will be n. So minus n by 2 plus 45 by 2. So 45 by 2, we will get it as 0. Now what you can take common here? So n square here. So let's going to take common of here. What you can take common? n minus 10 by 2, that is 5. So 10 by 2. This one you can take common of plus here. What value we can take it? So sorry, here minus 45. Minus 45 plus n you cannot take common. So n by 2, so 9 by 2 you can take common. So 9 by 2 means what value we can take it here? N minus 45 by 2, right? So 10 by 2. That is what? So if you take 10 by 2, why? Because 9 into 10, 5. So here 5, 5. 9 5 is a 45. 45 into, that is, this is the way. It is somewhat difficult to understand. So but, so here n, why? Because here 9n by 2, n by 2 we can take common, n is a single one minus, so here we need to get, sorry, here 10 by 2, 10 by 2, why? Because 9 into, what is this? 9 into 10, that is 90 by 2, 2 already came out, so 45 by 2 we will get it here. So n minus 10 by 2 common n plus 9 by 2. So either n minus 2 ones are 2 5s are. So n minus 5 into n plus 9 by 2. So what is the value? Either n minus 5 will be equal to 0 or n plus 9 by 2 will be equal to 0. So n is equals to 5. So number of terms. Then n is equals to minus 9 by 2. It cannot. Why? Because we will not get n as a negative integer. So we should not take negative numbers here. That is the case here. So let n will be equal to 5. Let n will be equal to 5. Then what is the nth term? So a plus n minus 1 into d, that is a value we know, that is a will be equal to 2. So a5 plus 5 minus 1 into d is a 8. So 2 plus 4 into 8, that is 2 plus, so 32. 4 8s are 32. We will get it as 34. So a5 will be equal to 34. So this is the way to find the calculation. You can go with another method, factorization. It is easy to calculate, that is 2n square minus n minus 45 will be equal to 0. You can go with another method I am explaining here. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45. You can go with this method also. So here 2n square means 2n you can take common outside, that is 2n means n minus 5 plus here 9 you can take common, n minus 5, that is the case. So n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 will be equal to 0. So n minus 5 will be equal to 0 or 2n plus 9 will be equal to 0. So n will be equal to 5 and 2n will be equal to minus 9, n will be equal to minus 9 by 2. So this is the way to find the factorization. This is the another method. It is easy method. It is somewhat difficulty method, but this, if you understand this concept, it will be easy to you. So this is the way to find the calculation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and